Have you ever tried to play an audio file only to be met with an error message? It's frustrating, right? If you're dealing with .opus audio files on Android, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to troubleshoot that issue together. I completely understand how annoying it is when your app doesn't work as expected, especially when you're developing something important. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar challenges. Let's dive into the specific situation at hand. One user reached out with a question about playing Opus audio files in their app. They encountered an I/O exception with the message, "Set data source failed." Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what could be causing this I/O exception? It often happens due to unsupported file formats, incorrect file paths, or issues with the audio player itself. We'll break it down step by step to find a solution. And stick around. I've got a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid this issue in the future. To begin resolving the issue with playing .opus audio files, the user should ensure that the audio file is correctly formatted and accessible. First, check the file path to confirm it is correct. Next, the user should confirm that the necessary permissions are granted in the Android manifest file. This is crucial for accessing external storage where the audio file may be located. Now, the user should utilize the Media Player class to play the .opus file. This class is designed to handle various audio formats, including .opus. If the user still encounters an I/O exception, it may be helpful to log the error message for further investigation. This can provide insights into what might be going wrong. Finally, the user should test the application on a physical device, as emulators may not support all audio formats. This will help ensure that the playback works as intended. Fun fact, the Opus format is designed for efficient streaming and is used in applications like WhatsApp and Discord. So, you're working with a powerful tool. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative approach is to ensure that your device is running Android 5.0 or higher, as Opus is only supported in that version and above, specifically within the Matroska container. If you're encountering issues, you might need to manually demux the audio to provide raw packets to the decoder. Here's that crucial tip I promised. Always validate your audio files and paths before attempting to play them. This simple step can save you a lot of headaches. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to play Opus audio files in your Android app without any issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.